Sam predicts. This is another reading. So I am reading for Leo right now. I've done most of the signs. This is Leo. I do not know if you can see it. I'm just going to put it like a bit. I'm just going to remove stuff from here so it's clearer for you. Yes. So this is for Leo right now, and let us see what are the messages. Sorry, I'm just readjusting it so you can see it properly. I think you can see it now. So this is for Leo and for the month of August. Let me see what is the lucky number that I get. I get 5 for you guys. That's the lucky number for this month. And I will also pull out some cards and see which tarot that I want to use. So I've been using different decks for everybody. So I'm going to use different decks for you guys. And let's see what are the messages. I'm also going to use the Power of Love cards. So let's start with the C melodies that I really wanted to use today. What are the messages for the month of August? So 5 is going to be a good number for you guys. Let's see what are the other messages. I get strength. So Leo has strength. So it is great because it says stay afloat and feel steady and calm. So this is things getting right for you. Just stay afloat means probably if there is a challenging situation in August, uh, keep your head high and keep your strength like the lion or the lioness, and things will be fine for you. Also it says stay calm. So stay calm could be because if there are any challenges or anything, probably you need to overcome. So you need calmness to overcome those challenges. You don't need to roar, or you do not need to get angry, or you do not need to dominate. Just stay calm. Also got meditate. So if you can see it, it says make some quiet time in the still air. So I don't know if you're dealing with air sign, but when I was reading it, I thought you're dealing with an air sign. That's what I thought. So meditation is important. Meditate, also stay quiet, and deal with things very calmly. So that's the most important thing. Maybe people will instigate you in August, or say things or whatever, and you will kind of would not want to react, like almost roaring, like the lion in the jungle, or kind of being dominating. You do not want to use these traits, so you want to you know um, uh, approach the situation very calmly. Guidance: find safety in your beacon's light. So this is like, there is a guidance, there is a beacon light, and there will something that will come to light. Or probably if there's darkness and you do not know what to do in August, sometimes we are like, helpless. We do not get the answer. We do not know where destiny, or where we are going, and we really feel confused. So just I feel a guidance will be there. You'll realize the guidance, you'll understand the guidance, and it will put you on your path very naturally and effortlessly. And follow the beacon's light. Just keep safe. Just be safe. Uh, do not work yourself up. Do not get your mind full of too many things. It's like, don't overwork yourself, or anything like that. So that's another message that I get. Safety and protection are coming. I just saw this, and it's protection. So be safe could be, sometimes like there's so much happening in our mind, and we're driving and our mind is not fully on driving. So I do not know why, but I'm going to say, especially at night, be very careful when you're driving. It's like put your all the attention on the road, and when you driving, do not talk on the phone. So take precautions, be cautious. And it says protection, so just protect yourself, and kind of just I feel kind of you feeling very emotional, getting your guard down somewhere in August. So this is just to protect yourself. Do not let negative factors um, do come near you, or affect you in a way. So that's what I'm getting. Protection is a big theme here, because it says be safe and stay protected. Let's see what the keepers of the light are saying. So since yesterday I've been doing all the signs and the words that I've been using, and when I take out the tarot cards, those words actually are there in the tarot, and that's suppose. And I feel great that at least I can give you good guidances, and the spirit guides and ascended masters and my archangels at least saying yes, that reaffirming my faith and belief in what I'm saying. Expect miracles. So your hard time is going to be over. It's okay. And I feel, remember that only love is real. So probably you need to know that doesn't matter if challenges keep coming or whatever keeps happening. just don't lose the faith. Keep loving yourself, keep loving the people around you, and expect miracles. They will happen. And remember, when I said things will happen effortlessly, naturally, the line under this card says, miracles will occur naturally, so spirit has your back. See, I told you, just need guidance. I think there'll be some kind of a guidance from somewhere, either it could be an angel number or anything that you read or you get inspired, or when people talk, they're kind of guiding you or inspiring you to do something. So that's going to happen, and you're going to expect miracles in the month of August. So keep focused. Remember when I said be focused, when you're driving or anything, whatever activity you're doing, anything that you're doing, please stay focused, because I feel your mind is going to go off, pretty often. I do not know why, because your mind will be traveling. Is it, too many places, or eyes are darting, they're not really fixed at what you're doing. So this is being, very focused in your intentions also, what you have to do. And it also says set your sights high. So the goals that you were thinking are unachievable, unattainable, all that you should not get, you should not think about it, because you can also set little goals, and then approach the bigger goal that you have, or whatever milestones that have been thinking about. I also get 6, because this suddenly got rolled, and I got a 6. So 6 is important for you guys also. So this is all about you getting some kind of a guiding. I do not know if you have spirit guides, or if loved one has passed away, or you are connected with the astral world somehow, because Leo, all your cards are like there is divine guidance. So it says move beyond current challenges. See, I use the word challenges. So those challenges that you're facing are not so big. You can achieve them. I also get a lot of purple for you guys. So this is the challenges will come and go. They'll be sorted. So just focus on what you desire. So there's a lot of things that will come in your way. Probably you have a goal, and on your way to achieve it, there are many distractions. I get a lot of distractions, so don't get distracted. And Babaji is here in the reading, and thanks, because I feel blessed. That was at the end of the deck, and Babaji is one of my ascended masters. So I really feel there are challenges. I really feel this reading, whoever I'm speaking to, one person, two person, I don't know who's getting connected with me as an energy. You're really guided by your the gods that you believe in, or any power that you believe in, like angels or archangels, anything, probably ascended masters. This card almost came in my hand, so I'm going to read this. It says inner strength, move back to wholeness, recognize that you have the power. So you have the power, Leo. You do not need any other power. You are very calm. You know how to approach things. You will overcome challenges, and you do not have to worry about anything. Just believe in your inner strength. And I think you're a pretty strong person, and you need to recognize your power, that you can do anything. So stay focused, because this card came reversed. I do not know if you've been dealing with a Gemini, or somebody that you think is too, it's either too difficult to handle, or like very challenging. I do not know if you're dealing with an air sign. I get you're also dealing with an air sign. So somebody is challenging to handle, you find it a challenge. But things will settle down in August. That's what I feel. Let's see what the other cards are saying. I'm going to keep these cards next to me. I'm also going to use the unicorn deck. I've been using different decks for all the signs. So today I'm left with 2 signs. So I want to use the unicorn cards. These are also beautiful cards. I'm not going to read them reverse. Let's see what's coming. Feather, I told you you're going to get a sign. The calling card from the unicorns, and they'll tell you they are near you. So this is another reaffirmation of the fact that this is a confirmation that when you are in trouble, you will see a feather, like I said. So you do not have to worry, guys. If you're not getting an answer, and you're all over the place, and you're like, what should I do? There will be a guidance. You just have to close your eyes and just ask God for help. That's all. You don't need anything else. Yeah, new openings coming. This is a beautiful reading. It's a very divine reading, and this is amazing. It says a new door is opening for you. So if you wanted some kind of an opportunity, job, business, anything, any opportunity with anybody, to talk to anybody, your communication was cut off from someone, or you wanted to approach someone but did not know how, or you wanted to break the ice, you wanted an opportunity to talk to the person, could be a senior, you wanted to say something. Everything will be done. It's beautiful. You do not have to worry about anything, guys. Let's see what is your love situation. Leo, this is a beautiful reading. August looks really good for you guys. Wow, action. This is all action. So expressing yourself, having the courage. So the lioness will have the courage to talk to the lover or the partner or to the special person, or to tell them how they feel. Action about going to places, doing different things, talking to each other. So a lot of action in the love life. That's what I get. This one also jumped out of my hands. Stay patient. That's what I want to say. Patience is the key. So just stay patient in any situation, any problems, anything, or if the other person is a little is in the wrong mood or not in the right mood or whatever, you kind of keep your patience. Okay, you have to deal with the situation that way, because I feel you'll be calm in August. Some kind of a freedom you wanted from something, you got to work on it. This is not a release situation. I do not think this is letting go of somebody or whatever, without giving them a chance or without giving your relationship a chance. This is actually working on it well, and doing the right thing. Stay calm, be patient, and you can actually sort things out, is what I get. Not all is lost. So that's a beautiful reading. I'll be back again with another reading. Do like and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Sorry I didn't give an intro that time, but that's because I just wanted to jump into the reading. So I am a psychic tarot reader, I'm an intuitive reader, and I am also a medium. So I hope you have a beautiful August. Bye, dears.